What puts a smile on your face? Tell me the truth. What really makes you happy? And what makes you move? Never give up when life gets too hard. Right around the corner it's a brand new start. Feels like we're riding on a roller coaster. Getting so far we not getting closer. Life is all about the up and down. Take your medicine, stop fooling around. Never take yourself too seriously. Life will go on and let me free. Why do more people trying to take life slow? Why is every day so impossible? When I speak my mind I tell no lies. Once upon a time I laughed so hard I cried.